In this video, we are going to install a full Android system that works with wired Apple Carplay and a wired Android Auto to make them wireless. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing for you. So it does come with your user's manual. This is the unit itself. It is about 3 inches by 3 inches and 0.7 inches thick. Comes with 2 USBs, USB-C and a standard USB to USB-C. So it does have a little notice here. It says the wrong way will damage the card slot. So you want to insert your card the right direction. Its operating system is an Android 9.0 with a hardware configuration of 8-core Snapdragon 450 up to 1.8 gigahertz. Its system storage is 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM. It's simple to install with a simple plug and play. You use one of your USB cables, plug in the USB-C in the middle and the other end to your vehicle. It uses a nano SIM card that goes right in here for 4G LTE support. It has a slot for your micro SD card with a maximum of 128 gigs. It does have a GPS module built in for navigation, and it also is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. To install, I'm going to take the supplied USB cable and go ahead and plug it into the USB port. Then we're going to go ahead and plug in the Android box. That's plugged in. It'll take a second for it to register for the first time. There it is, it picked it up. So let's go ahead and enable that. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the menu and look for Apple CarPlay. Now let's go ahead and accept. And there you have it. It does come with, see, Netflix already. There's your Google, Waze, there's YouTube. Next, we're gonna go ahead and pair the Bluetooth. We wanna go to settings. We're gonna go to Bluetooth. And we're gonna go ahead and pair a new device. So I'm gonna open up my Bluetooth on my phone. So I'm gonna go hit pause for a second. Okay, once I saw my Bluetooth, I will go ahead and find your device. And let's pair it. Okay, once you paired with your phone, you should see it. Let's go back to settings. We'll go Bluetooth. Or actually, let's go with phone call. There you go. So now we're connected to my phone. Once you have your Bluetooth connected, you can actually use your steering controls. What's the weather today?
It'll be sunny with a high of 73 and a low of 55. Right now it's 72 and sunny.
Now let's go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. Hit the settings button. We'll go to network and internet. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my phone. Let's see what options we have. There's my phone. I'm gonna go ahead and cover up the password. Alright, go ahead and connect. Alright, we're connected to Wi-Fi. Now let's try YouTube. Oh, pulls up my channel. Let's play a video. Here's a quick ad. So it works smooth. The screen resolution is good. In this video, we are going to install car interior ambient lighting. Works perfect. That have color chasing effect with footwell lights. It's good. Drop down menu, you can select other videos. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel, Wi-Fi works great. Reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Okay, let's try Google Chrome. Let's accept. And no thanks. There it is. You can search up anything and it works. Now let's go ahead and see how Netflix works. There's Netflix. There we go. We have shows, movies. You can scroll up and down. Let's see red notice. Hit play.
These walls by tomorrow morning. I already know how I'm going to steal it. I'll take some adjustment now that I know the bishop's going to be there, but I'll beat her to the punch. I? What about we? Why are you wearing the hairnet? You're bald.
All right, we have Netflix. Okay, nice.
Fine. You can be my
no lag. Up and working great.
Thanks. All right, clock's ticking. We gotta get.
Now to get back to your home, just touch the screen anywhere, and you have that white dot that pops up. Go ahead and touch that. Your menu comes out, and let's hit home. Perfect. And if you want to download more apps, you want to go ahead and go to the App Store and just go ahead and search which app you want to download. Now let's go see how fast it starts up. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the vehicle, open my door, close my door, and let's go ahead and restart the car. Don't mind that. That is my mirror dash cam. Here we go. It's booting up. There's your disclaimer. And it automatically connects to your box. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.